Okay. So day 3, day 1, what we have seen, we learned the complete trigonometry, that basically concepts, formulas, everything. And day 2, we solve your textbook examples. And day 3, basically, it includes all your board exam question plus your NCERT exercise also will be covered here, right? So this screen, right, I'm leaving it blank. Okay, now I'm not going to write any general rules, right? When we are solving the question, we will update here. Okay. So let me go for the first question, student. Okay, let me take from the first question. Okay, I'll take selective question, student, which I feel important. Okay, first question. This is, I think, first question of your worksheet also, right? So how to prove? Prove means what are the general steps, student? What are the general steps? What are the general steps? Who can tell me? Prove means what? What is the fundamental rule, student? Prove means.
LHS.
Say prove, the meaning is the left hand side has to be equal to right hand side. That's all. In what way you can prove that? Take LHS, bring RHS, one method. Second method, take RHS, bring LHS, second method. And third method is what? LHS to some answer, mediator. Then RHS, bring the same medium answer. Okay, basically mediator answer. Okay. So 1, 2, 3. Then fourth method, both solve simultaneously. So LHS, RHS, solve simultaneously. What is the meaning of simultaneously, student? Same time you are simplifying LHS as well as RHS. So that's the only way. There are so many ways, but these four are very, very important techniques. In general, this is the first technique, widely used. Always, sir, sometimes, sir, what I need to choose, LHS to RHS or RHS to LHS. So that when the doubt is coming, very simple story. Always, start from the which side you have more number of terms or the complex steps are inside. Okay, because from complex to easy is easy, correct or not? From easy to complex is difficult, clear or not? From the complex side to easy side you can bring easily, but easy side to complex it's very difficult. So by seeing, sir, how can I identify, sir? By solving more number of questions you will understand, right, which side. So basically from my understanding this is my complex side. So try to solve. So take the LHS is what? Cos theta minus sin theta plus 1 upon cos theta plus sin theta minus 1. Sir, what to do? No idea, right? This is what the problem, sir. Shall I transfer everything into that's a first rule I can say. Try to convert everything in terms of sin theta and cos theta and try to simplify. Okay, this is one technique. Okay, but in this question everything what? Sin and cos only, but this side you want cosec theta and cot theta. So the second important rule is, student, you learn, right, in 9th standard, rationalize the denominator, right? What you will do? There will be two terms. In the middle, one sign will be there. In the middle, one sign will be there. So basically, what you will do? Tell me what you will do. You will do whatever sign is there. You will change the sign. That is basically you are multiplying with its conjugate. Do you remember that? How many of you remember that? Rationalize the denominator. Please respond. How many of you remember the technique? Rationalize the. Yes, rationalize the doctor. Okay, denominator is a doctor here. So I'm going to multiply. Now the question will come. Sir, this sign I need to change at this sign. This also you can change this sign. Okay. Sir, any rule? Why we are changing? No rule, student, right? Until otherwise you are solving, you cannot identify which is your step. Clear or not? But at least the moment you are changing this sign, so what is my understanding? These two are one group and this is other group. One is, sir, why? Then only I can make what? This a square minus B square format I can expand. Clear or not? In the numerator also, the beauty is happening. See here, student, cos theta plus 1 term minus sin theta 1 term plus sin theta other term. So if you observe this carefully, you can group these two terms as a one term and sin theta as a second term. So by that grouping, guys, denominator also a plus b, a minus b format, numerator also a plus b, a minus b format. So this is your a and this is your b. Clear? So can you tell me what is the denominator? A square minus, because it's a, this b, correct or not? What you are finding? A minus b, a plus b. So which means a square minus b square. What is in the numerator? Who are going to group that? See that this minus sin theta plus sin theta. So my grouping is going to happen 1 plus cos theta one term, that is this, minus sin theta other term. Are you clear? You can put whole square or you can put square, both are same, right? You can put square also. Any doubt? How many of you not clear with this? How many of you not clear? Guys, quickly tell me.
Clear, sir.
Any doubts? No doubt means say no doubt. A plus b the whole square, denominator. What is that? A square b square plus 2ab. Correct or not? This expansion minus 1. 1 square is 1, right? How many of you remember this identity? Cos square theta plus sin square theta equal to 1. So guys, this is plus 1 and this is minus 1. So can I cancel this? This is entire thing plus 1, correct or not? So plus 1 can be cancelled with minus 1. Sir, in the board exam, whether I need to take this? No, directly you can cancel. Nobody going to reduce the mark. What is in the numerator, student? A plus b the whole square, right? So what you will write quickly? A square plus b square minus 2ab, correct or not? Sorry, plus 2ab, then minus sin square theta there. So if you watch it carefully, student, 1 square minus sin square theta is nothing but cos square theta, correct or not? 1 square minus sin square theta is equal to cos square theta. So our LHS is still continue. So then numerator, guys, even for straight line, right? When it is lengthy, use your scale. Okay. So what is in the denominator? Tell me. 2 sin theta cos theta. What is there in the numerator? 1 square minus sin square. It's nothing but cos square theta. Guys, already one cos square theta is there. So shall I write 2 cos square theta plus 2 cos theta? Any doubt? Any doubt? Now what I can do, guys, from the numerator, 2 cos theta is common. So I can take 2 cos theta in bracket, cos theta plus 1 will be there upon 2 sin theta cos theta. So 2 is cancelled, cos theta is cancelled. Don't cancel inside, guys. This plus is there. What is remaining? 1 plus cos theta upon sin theta. How many of you knows that from here how to bring this answer? Or how many of you don't know? I'll ask this way. How many of you don't know from here to here? We are almost just one idea. Mehul, do you know how to bring that? Mehul, do you know how to bring it? No answer? Guys, if you don't know, at least say don't know. Don't wait for...
Sir, one.
Yes. You're right. Trying to say something.
One.
Okay, I'm getting some noise. No
Cos
problem.
square
You can, guys,
cosec.
this is another important rule. Guys, that's why I put the rule, okay? Whenever you have a plus b by c is there, it's nothing but a by c plus b by c. Please remember, Many of the places we will use this, student. So please remember to use this. So mean this is A plus B by C. What is that? A by C plus B by C. Correct or not? How many of you not agree with me? This, guys, normally we will come from here to here. We are coming reversely. So now tell me 1 by sin theta equal to what? 1 by sin theta equal to what? Cosec theta. Cos theta plus sin theta is what? Cot theta.
Cot theta.
Guys, we are getting cosec theta plus cot theta. Sir, this is the only way to solve? No. There are 100 ways, I can say. It is not one way. But try to find the shortcuts technique, which way is easy. Even I gave one method, as I mentioned, rationalizing the denominator, kind of very popular, student. Very, very popular. Rationalize the denominator format. Means multiplying with its conjugate. Multiplying with its conjugate. That's why it's a kind of rationalizing denominator. That kind of step means multiplying with its conjugate. So remember this, I'll fill this slide, okay, when we are doing the problem, because there is no textbook, nowhere we have a standard steps, okay. We will list the steps so that, the collective ideas will help you, right? Shall I go to the next problem quickly, confirm students? Next problem, quickly. Any doubts?
No doubt, sir.
No doubt. Guys, please put your attention, because if you are not putting the attention, don't think that I will learn later. No, the later never comes. Trust me. You are almost right on the last stage. Don't expect we will do it later. No, this is the time. This is the time you have to finish everything, right, student? So coming to that, it's very simple. This problem, sir, I want to prove this. Clear or not? So I cannot take RHS, take it from LHS and try to bring the RHS. Okay. So LHS is what? LHS is what? M square plus N square into cos square beta. Guys, M is given, N is given, everything is given. This question, nothing. You are going to substitute. Nothing more. You are going to substitute and try to find the answer. That's all. Nothing more. Right?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
What
sir.
is M square? What is M square? This guy.
Cos square alpha by cos square beta.
Beta. N is what?
Cos square alpha by sin square beta.
Sin square beta. Shivani, I was waiting for you. This guy is, only Sahil is responding. Rest of them, I'm asking so many times, they are not responding. These guys. Guys, see, this is what, I'm not comparing with one student with others. When the teacher is asking, you have to respond. Clear or not? Clear or not? Even clear or not, student not responding. Okay.
Clear.
Guys, this is common. Correct or not? Cos square alpha is common. Okay, so you can take it as cos square alpha, and even you can take this guy also. What is that? Cos square beta. What is remaining inside bracket? 1 by
1
cos
by
square
cos
beta,
square
1 by
beta plus 1 by sin square beta.
directly cos square beta, or you want me to write in 2 steps? Basically, it's not needed. Okay, for your happiness, I'll write. Okay. So you can simplify 2 to 3 steps in 1 step. Nobody is going to reduce the mark. That is why, do you remember I gave
Sin
some
square beta plus cos square beta by cos square beta sin square beta.
excellent. So denominator is multiplication of these two. So this is very popular. So I'll highlight that step also, guys. A by B plus C by D. Guys, 6 standard max, but still I am putting so many of the places you will apply this.
Fraction
Multiplying the denominator, then these cross multiplication, right, student? Clear? So that is what I did. So multiplying this, then here to here, here to here. So sin square beta plus cos square beta. So we know this identity, sin square Pythagorean identities, right? From Pythagoras theorem, we derive 3 identities, guys. Correct or not? From Pythagoras theorem, we derive 3 identities.
Yes, sir.
The very first identity is what? Sin square beta plus cos square beta, sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. But make sure that both should be same. Here alpha, here beta means you cannot apply. Please remember that this angle is telling is what, student? Beta means what? Some angle. That's what you have to remember. Okay, don't get confused. Okay, guys, what can be cancelled here? You can cancel this cos square beta, na? Correct or not? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay, guys, this is 1. So what is remaining? I think I can
1
complete.
by sine square beta.
LHS. Here you have cos square alpha. And here what you have?
Sir, then we'll get n square.
Excellent. So n is what? Cos alpha by sine beta is nothing but n square. So which is equal to your RHS. Right?
Sir, what is the board weightage for this lesson, sir?
I need to check. I think trigonometry you have more weightage. Basically,
Not
either
application, sir. Only the introduction.
only introduction, guys. You will get 1 4-mark question in general. In general, 1 4-mark question will be asked from identities. Okay. At least
Sir, this time 4 marks questions are not there, right, sir? Only 5 marks.
Yeah. I'm having that, student. I'll show you that. I have that weightage everything.
Okay, sir.
Syllabus, yes. I'll show you right away. Don't worry. Yes, here is the mark weightage. I'm already having that one. I'm bringing that to 1. Right? So guys, see that how many marks? 12 marks. Are you seeing that? When I say trigonometry, it includes what? Both trigonometry, right? So combinedly, how many marks is given?
12 marks.
12 marks. Okay. So 12 marks is yours. Okay. So guys, number system 1 unit. Okay. Algebra includes. Can you tell me what are the units include in algebra?
Polynomials,
Polynomial.
quadratic equations,
Polynomials, quadratic equation, linear equation, quadratic equation, and AP also, student. AP also. Basically, guys, your chapter number 2, 3, 4, 5. Correct or not? Chapter number 2, 3, 4, 5. This is chapter number 1. And the algebra includes chapter 2, 3, 4, 5. Correct or not? Then coordinate geometry includes what? Coordinate geometry includes what are the chapter, what are the topics you have? You have your coordinate geometry, you have. Then you have your geometry is there, not triangle circles. Triangle circles and construction.
Yes,
Guys, everything combined. Again, 4 units combined in the geometry. What are the chapters? Can you tell me what are the chapters? Your coordinate geometry. Sorry, coordinate geometry only, student. Coordinate super, na? You see here, individual unit, 6 marks. And geometry includes what? Geometry includes your triangles, circles, construction. Okay, triangle, circles, construction, then yes, all the units, right? And trigonometry includes what? Your
introduction and applications.
And application. And mensuration includes what?
Surface areas and volumes.
Surface area and volumes. Surface area and volumes.
Circle.
Plus areas related to circles. Areas related to circles. How many marks? 10 marks. And statistics and probability, you know, 2 chapters. So guys, all the chapters are covered or not? All the chapters.
Yes,
So guys, see the weightage. See the weightage. So in that case,
sir will not get for a particular lesson weightage, sir.
No. This is what the weightage is given by the board. Okay. So I think at least trigonometry you are getting 12 marks, right? Combinedly.
Yes, sir.
And the first unit, guys, first unit is simple unit carrying 6 marks, and coordinate geometry simple unit carrying 6 marks. Are you seeing that? Are you seeing that? So
Yes, sir.
this also a simple unit, student. Okay, 6 plus 5. So this something you have to think that. Okay, this okay. I feel your trigonometry also carrying more marks. Correct or not?
Yes, sir.
Right. So I'll go to the next question. Okay. This everything is there in the internet. Okay. So just to type 2021 syllabus, you will get. Okay, next question. Next question, very important question again, guys. I have given all selective questions, student, right? Focus on this. It covers all the varieties. All 50 question will cover 50 varieties. Okay. So guys, you need to prove this guy LHS equal to RHS. Okay. Let's take LHS. LHS is what? LHS is what? M square minus N square. Guys, don't search here and there. This is what you need to prove. Clear or not? So M square minus N square. What is M?
Tan A plus sin A whole square.
A plus sin A whole square. What is B square? Sorry, N square.
Tan A minus sin A whole square.
Right. Guys, one thing you can expand
Plus
this
B whole square.
A plus B the whole square, A minus B the whole square. But if someone knows the identity already, guys, A plus B the whole square, A minus B the whole square. How many of you know the identity? Expansion A square
Plus 2AB plus B square.
A square plus B square plus 2AB. A square
A square plus 2AB.
Plus B square minus 2AB.
Guys, if you add, what will happen? If you subtract, add, what will happen? Okay, if I say this is 1 and this is 2, guys, if I say subtract this, what will happen? When you subtract means what? You need to change the sign. Correct or not? Means it will get cancelled. Correct or not? What is the answer?
Yes, sir.
When you are subtracting? 4AB you will get.
4AB, sir.
Correct or not? So 1 minus 2, it is 4AB. What will happen? 1 plus 2. When you are plus, this guy will cancel. So what is that? 2A square
plus B square.
Remember this identity, not maybe you may think that, sir, what is that much usage? When you are coming to the higher classes, these two identities is very important. What are the two identities?
Sir, if we'll expand also, some will cancel only, right, sir? Minus, it's there.
Yeah, that's what I'm giving you. That's what.
Yes,
How you are getting this, it's clear now. So guys, this is what you are seeing, that A plus B, same A minus B is here. Correct or not? Tan A is there, sin A is there, only sign difference. So it looks like what, student? A plus B square, A minus B square, in the middle minus. So automatically answer is what? 4.
4 into tan A into sin A.
Sin A. Sir, shall I write like this? Yes, very well. You can write, simply write the reason here. That's all. Simply write this reason. Okay. Plus A plus B the whole square minus A minus B the whole square is equal to 4AB. That's all. So this is equation number 1. Guys, I told you now, there are so many ways you can prove that. One of the way is you cannot bring directly LHS to RHS. In that case, LHS to one answer, some mediator, then RHS to the same answer. Then things will be okay. Correct or not? So RHS. RHS is what? Root of 4 root of Mn. Guys, 4 is there. At least 4 is there now in the LHS. And now root of M is what?
Tan A plus sin A.
Tan A plus sin A, tan A minus sin A. Guys, directly I can write tan square A minus sin square.
Minus sin square. Yes, sir.
Can I write? Very well, student. Very well you can write. Okay. Substitute showing that no M into N by seeing the question itself, A plus B, A minus B. So I can write. So next step, 4 into root of tan square A. What can I do, student? It is sin square A by cos square A minus sin square A. Guys, again fraction addition. This is next formula I'm going to use. A by B. plus or minus. So I'm going to include that rule again. Guys, these are a fraction addition. If you ask me, it is purely what? 6 standard max. Still I am giving you, okay, A plus or minus BC by B. Why I'm putting plus or minus? I don't know. What is that? Maybe plus means plus, minus means minus. What you are doing? You are multiplying it. Sir, whether I need to remember this formula, guys, you don't want to remember the formula. These are all basic maths in something in the
Yes,
6th
sir.
standard. Still, I am giving the reason because of what? Sir, after this, what I need to do? The question will come now. After this, what mean? If you know that, yes, I have to do that, mean immediately you will start simplifying that method. Clear? It's very, identity solving, it's an art, student. It's not like a normal mathematics, normal algebra. So what you'll get 4 in the root of, guys, what is the formula I said?
Sin
This
square A minus sin square A into cos square A by cos square A.
sin square A cos square A upon
Cos square A.
A. So you can taken out root of sin square A out. In bracket, what you have? 1
1
minus
minus cos square.
upon what, student?
Cos square.
Cos square A. Everything is correct or not? So 1 minus cos square A, again what? This, okay. Now, one thing is clear, correct or not? 4 is there. Sin square A by cos square A, tan square A, when you are taking out from the root, tan A. 1 minus cos square A, sin square A,
Sin
when you are
square
taking
A,
out from the root,
sin A.
right? That's why I'm saying, student, we did this with complete understanding. Correct or not? Sometime what will happen? You don't know. That's why I say that, don't leave the answer. Write the answer as it is here. You know the answer, what should come, right, in the RHS. So write the answer, okay? But if you want a detail you want to show, yes, you can show in one more step if you want. That is sin square A by cos square A, 1 and 1 minus cos square A. So basically, it is tan square A and this is sin square A. If you taken out from the root, 4 tan A into sin.
Sin A.
So you put its equation number 2. So LHS equation number 1, RHS equation number 2. What do you notice? 1 equal to 2. So can I say hence proved?
Yeah, sir.
Are you clear, everyone? Quickly.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir, always they'll give the LHS and RHS equal only, right, sir?
Yeah, then only you can prove, correct or not?
Yeah.
Without a how can you prove? You cannot
No,
prove.
sir. Sometimes if they'll give LHS is not equal to RHS, like that I'm asking, sir.
Time they are giving. Okay, yes, we'll see that kind of question. Actually,
We'll get like this.
no, I'm
question,
saying
sir.
actually something, true only, it's a very dangerous, student. For example, something false, you can verify for one specific case. If you're not working, then you can say it's false. Done. Khatam, over. It's like, student, some machine is working 90% is correct, 10% is wrong. So what you will say, it's working correctly or not correctly, mean according to max is not correctly working correctly. It's not working correctly. Clear or not? Even 99% working, 1% not working, mathematically it's wrong. Even true or false statement, student. True or false. True or false is what? All the even numbers, even numbers are, what you can say, composite numbers, if I say like that. Or we can say like this, okay? Prime number always odd number. Prime number always odd number. Is it true or not?
No, sir.
Prime number always odd number. Is it true or
No,
not?
sir.
No, sir, false.
Why?
Sir,
Prime number always odd number,
can
na?
even be a even, right, sir?
What is that? What is the question I asked? Prime number always odd number, student. Is it the statement is true or false?
False.
False. Why?
So Even number. Prime
Okay.
number.
2. Okay. Any other example? Do you have any other excuse? Do you have any other supporting points? Or any other examples other than 2? Harsh?
No.
No. So means, what is your conclusion? Only 2. So if I say like this, except 2, all other prime numbers are odd numbers. Is it correct or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
It is
Yes.
true. Correct or not? Guys, maths is like that, okay? 99.99% is correct. Correct or not? All numbers are odd numbers. Sorry, all prime numbers are odd numbers. 99.99% is true. Because there are infinite numbers are there. Only one number, that is number 2. It is even number. That is a prime number. Rest of the numbers are correct. Na? All the prime numbers are odd numbers. But still, that statement is false because of this. Okay. So somehow prove that they are not equal. It's very simple statement, Sivani. Okay. That's not a right way. Okay. Mathematically, you have to prove it equal. That is what
Okay, sir.
very important. Okay. I think this question we discussed in the last class. I still remember. Correct? Anyhow, I'll repeat this because it's from my understanding, it's repeated so many times. Okay. No one remembers that. I have done this, I think so. Okay. Now, guys, this don't apply any different identities here. Directly a plus b the whole square only, student. A square, b square plus 2ab.
2 sin theta cosec theta.
2 sin theta.
Cosec theta.
Cosec theta. Don't write lengthy, write in the next line. Okay, here, but don't put equal. Cos square theta,
Sin theta plus sec square theta.
square theta plus
2 cos theta sec theta.
these 2 will get cancelled, these 2 will get cancelled because when they are multiplying, they will get cancelled. And these 2
Reciprocal
combinedly
side,
what,
sir.
student? These 2 combinedly what? 1. These 2 combinedly 1. And cosec square, what can I write? 1 plus cot square theta. Then you have 2. Maybe I'll finish this, then I'll come. Okay, 1 plus sec square theta what? 1 plus tan square theta. Then you have 1, 2.
Yeah, sir,
have
you
1.
did this one, sir.
I did, yes. Okay. So guys, if you watch that carefully, your objective, always your objective, whether my answer is coming to what is asked, because you should not write whatever you want. Yes, I want 7. Yes, 1, 3, then
7.
2 plus 2.
Yes, sir.
Then what do you have? Tan square theta. Then remaining
square.
cot square
Cot
theta.
square theta.
So RHS. Guys, your aim is, how can I bring the RHS from LHS? That is what your ultimate aim. Clear or not? How can I bring RHS from LHS or in other way? Clear or not? Very, very important, right? Focus on that, right? I'm not selecting all the questions, student, right? It is impossible. I'll select
Sir, sometimes
important
they'll
questions.
give.
Yes.
Sir, sometimes they'll give that sec theta is equals to 4 by root 7 or something like that, and they'll give the prove that statement, sir.
Yeah, that also we will do that. Okay, that also we will do that. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So guys, sec theta plus tan theta is one of the other identity which I forgot to say that, student. What do you learn? 3 identity. Out of that, one more identity is what? Sec theta minus tan square theta equal to 1. How many of you remember this identity? Correct or not?
Yes, sir.
I gave you 3 identities. Sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. Sec square theta minus tan square theta equal to 1. Cosec square theta minus
Cosec
cot
square theta minus cot square theta is equals to 1.
1. So basically, sometimes people will get confused. Sir, you can easily do that, student. Because sec complement is what? Cosec square. Tan complement is what? Cot equal to 1. So you can easily relate, right or not? You can easily relate this CO, you can easily relate. Are you clear? So one identity if you are clear, other identity automatically you can bring. But somehow CO are together. Okay, don't get changed. Okay, don't get confused. Now coming to that student. Now coming to that, it's very simple to show. How many ratios totally? How many ratios? 6 trigonometry ratios. Sine complement is what, student? Cos. Then sec complement is what?
Cosec.
Sec. Cosec. But I'm not going to use sec. Okay, I'm sorry. I'm going to use tan. Okay. Then you have this complement is what? Cosec. And this complement is what? Tan. Here plus, here minus, here minus. Guys, these two are square, square everywhere. The answer is what? 1, 1, 1. Correct or not? Remember this identity. 1,000 places you will use. Clear or not? Right. I'm trying my best, student, to make you understand, because it's very difficult, okay, to memorize in this level. But unfortunately, whatever you are learning is a very fundamental. You are going to apply this in a big way in your 11th standard, both maths and physics also. Clear? So guys, if you notice that I'm going to prove some important identity, this identity will be okay for this also. I'll just tell you, okay. A square minus B square is what? A square minus B square is what? A plus B, below. A minus B, correct or not?
Yes, sir.
Equal to 1. Guys, here you are going to notice one very important thing, student. What is that? Is what is if, okay, what is sec theta minus tan theta? Equal
1
to 1
minus
upon.
sec theta. Yes.
Are you seeing that? Sec theta minus tan theta is equal to 1 by sec theta plus tan theta. Very, very important identity, student. That is what you are asking you. They are asking you to prove. If they are saying sec theta plus tan theta equal to P, now sec theta minus tan theta, I said 1 by sec theta plus tan theta. Can I write 1 by P? So are
Yes,
you
sir.
clear? Important proof. Same way, this proof also you can immediately remember that cosec theta plus cot theta, cosec theta minus cot theta. So you can say that cosec theta minus cot theta equal to 1 by cosec theta plus cot theta. Means, guys, what is the meaning of that? Anyone can tell me? When you are multiplying two numbers, the answer is 1 means what is the meaning of that? When you are multiplying two numbers, the answer is 1 means what is that? Both those two are what?
1.
Reciprocal to each other or multiplicative inverse to each other. What is that? Multiplicative inverse to each other. Right or not? If I say AB equal to 1, what is the meaning, student? A and B are multiplicative inverse or reciprocal to each other. Correct or not? All 8th standard max. Correct or not? So remember that, very, very important. So one thing you proved, show that. Now from here, you need to find the value for these two. Clear? So are you ready? Are you ready? The next result. Guys, I'm trying my best, utilize the spaces, okay? Okay. So you consider this as equation, okay? I'll write here, okay? What do you understand? Sec theta plus tan theta equal to P. Sec theta minus tan theta equal to 1 by P. Guys, if you add these two, what will happen? If you subtract these two, what will happen? That's all. We call this as equation number 1 and 2. If you add, what will happen? 1 plus 2, what will happen? This will get cancelled. Correct or not? Sec theta equal to what? P plus 1 by P. Can you tell me if you subtract, what will happen? This guy will get cancelled. Correct or not? This guy will get cancelled. What is the answer you'll get? 2 tan theta.
P
equal
minus
to
1 by P.
Minus 1 by P.
1 by P. Correct or not? Crystal clear or not? Guys, it's very important question.
Yes, sir.
Just focus on that. Any doubt you can ask me. Any doubt you can ask me. Okay. 1 minute. I don't know what happened to my pen. My screen is visible or stuck. Is it visible for you still, guys?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
We can see.
I don't know why I'm not able to write. Wait, let me change the battery. Yes, it is working. Okay. You are able to see now whatever I'm writing now.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Guys, now you got two things. One is 2 sec theta and 2 tan theta. Now you tell me if I want sine theta. If I want sine theta first, what I can do? Guys, one thing is directly cos theta you can find easily. Agree with me or not? Because if you know
Yes,
sec
sir.
theta, you can easily find cos theta. Maybe I can
1 by
find
cos.
that. Yes, so I can find that first. Okay. 1 minute. Yes. So I'll find this guy first. So cos theta equal to what? One minute. Hello, sir. Ketan, sir. Sir, I'm not sure, sir. I think regarding that we have formatting test, na? Sorry, this first terminal exam, right? Further regarding the invigilation dosing, sir. Yes, sir. So only you and me have to join. Only you and me have to join, sir. At 10 o'clock.
Okay. How long will it take to go on?
I think around 30 minutes, sir. You have any other? Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, sir. On which link it is, sir? 11th standard.
Yes, yes. Link one, sir. Link, yes, sir. Yes, sir. 11th standard. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. At 10 o'clock,
Thank you,
sir.
sir. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Okay, guys. Guys, are you there, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Right.
Yes,
Guys,
sir.
if you bring this guy to 2, what will happen? Maybe you can simplify it, student. Then you will come. Okay, you can simplify this guy. Then I don't have a space, but we'll try to simplify. What is that? P square plus 1 by 2p. This is your sec theta. So what is cos theta? 2p by p square plus 1. So are you getting the answer?
Yes, sir.
Whatever. At least highlight, student, because don't expect the teacher, where is your answer? Where at least if you highlight, okay, they will check, they will give the mark, they will go. Clear or not? Now, guys, you need sine theta. Sine theta. What do you know now? If you subtract this guy, okay, if I say 1 minus 2, what we are getting?
2
2
tan
tan
theta
theta equal to
p minus 1 by p.
So now p square minus 1. So tan theta equal to what? Tan theta equal to what? P square minus 1 by 2p. Right? So, guys, if you multiply tan theta into cos theta, you will get sin theta. Agree with me or not? So, sin theta equal to tan theta into cos theta. Sir, I didn't understand, sir. A very simple story. Tan theta equal to what? Sin by
Sin
cos.
by cos. Yes, sir.
So cos will get cancelled. So when you are multiplying tan and cos, obviously you will get sin. So you have to multiply, guys, this value, and this value. When you are multiplying, what will happen? Your 2p will get cancelled. Agree with me or not? And what is in the numerator? What is in the denominator? Quickly tell me. P square minus 1 in the numerator and p square plus.
The denominator.
Correct or not? Guys, highlight it. Any doubt? Any doubt? It's a very important question. Very, very important question, but you have to make the clearly highlight this to me. If I'm there in your place, right, I will take it as an answer, okay? Because I will not make any struggle to the teacher who is correcting, okay? Cos theta equal to what? 2p by p square plus 1, and sin theta equal to p square minus 1 by p square plus 1, right? So that the teacher easily give the mark and they can go. They don't want to wait for anything. They don't want to search. Where is your answer? Any doubts? Quickly.
No, sir.
No doubts. Okay. Guys, I'll go little faster. Okay. I'll try to select some important question. Okay, this question, okay, this question, okay. Everyone having worksheet, right? How many of you really go through the worksheet, student? The worksheet. Shivani, have you seen it?
Yeah, sir. I did some questions also, sir.
Did some, okay. Maths never expect, I don't like that answer. Some, okay. Sir, I did few, I did some, I did, no. Tell me out of 50 questions, sir, I tried 10 question, I got answer for 8 question. Like that. That is very clear strategic, student, okay. Maths never ever, sir, I did some, few, half, 20%, 30%, okay. At least percentage is okay. Okay, but in that also clarity should be there. 50% done, 10% is not clear. Something should be, very transparent. Or whatever I have done, yes, I'm very clear. Somehow the answer should be what? Crystal clear, right? Okay, right. So this is the question I remember, I believe you asked, right? Is one of the repeated question also student, right? These kind of question. Particularly sin theta plus cos theta, they will give one combination. Correct or not? Sin theta, guys, very important how to approach this. The same method you are going to approach to. Okay. This is given. What do you need to do? You are squaring both sides. Again, I am saying that this kind of question, you are going to follow the same rule. Okay. When you are squaring both sides, what will happen?
Sin square theta plus cos square theta is
This
equal
will
to
become
3.
square and this will become square, root will get cancelled. So squaring, it will become sin square theta. 1. Okay.
No, sir. We'll get as sin theta plus cos theta whole square, right, sir?
Yeah, you can.
Okay.
Plus 2ab. I'm expanding, right? When you are squaring, it's a plus b the whole square, a square b square plus 2ab, correct or not? And root 3, if you are squaring, it will become 3, correct or not? Correct or not?
Yeah, sir.
Yes, sir.
This will become 1 and this will become, let it be 2 sin theta.
Sir, we'll get sin theta cos theta is equals to 1.
2, correct or not? Now you cancel this. How come 2? Because this 1 go that side, it will become 2, right? So now tell me, this is very important result, student. This is very, very important. Sir, you are supposed to prove this, but this is the proof you have to do everywhere. So this is one of the turning points, students. So this is one of the turning point. So please remember, majority of the time they're asking, all you have to do what? The same mantra you have to use, but where there will be changes, instead of root 3, they will give some other number. Right? Now coming to this, what do you need to prove? Tan theta plus cot theta. You can say LHS, student. You can say, take the LHS. LHS is what? Tan theta plus cot theta. Tan theta is what? Sin theta by cos theta. And cot theta equal to what? Cos theta by sin theta. So what you will write in the denominator? Same mantra. Cos theta, sin theta, cross multiplication.
Sin square theta plus cos square theta.
Sin square theta plus cos square theta. So sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1. So cos theta into sin theta. Guys, now you are in the situation. Cos theta, sin theta, what? Answer is 1. So 1 by 1 equal to 1. So on what basis you are saying this is 1? There you have to highlight since 1. Since 1. So the teacher will see that. Okay. So this is your RHS. Correct or not? Equal to 1. Hence proved. How many of you not clear? Guys, quickly. Anyone not clear?
No, sir. I got, sir.
Got rest of them? Rest of them
Yes, sir.
out. Next one important question. neglecting other important question. Basically, this is proved in a lengthy way, and I wanted to say that this way also you can try. This way also you can try. I wanted to say the one method which I am going to say that always you are taking LHS to RHS, right? So instead of that, there is other technique, student, other technique. Okay, take the cross multiplication. So if you cross multiply, what will happen? Anyone can tell me? Sec A minus tan A multiplied with sin A minus cos A minus 1. This, if I prove equal to this, then it's equal to whatever they are asking. Correct or not? Sin A plus cos A minus 1. Sir, this is the way. This is one of the easy technique.
Sir, we can take both LHS, RHS, sir.
No, I'm just cross multiplication. You have to prove this. I'm taking this and this multiplying.
That only, right,
So
sir? We
now,
can take both.
now I am saying that if I prove this equal to this, then automatically this equal to this. Correct or not?
Okay, sir.
So instead of proving this, if I prove this, yes, this will be equal. Correct or not? So now my question is not this, my question is this. In the last step, again, you have to write. That is last step. Okay. Now you just start with student. Okay. LHS. All I'm going to do, simply I'm going to multiply student. Just multiply. Sec A and sin A. Who is ready to answer that? Sec A and sin A. Sec is what, student? 1 by cos. So 1 by cos sin A into 1 by cos is what? Tan A. Correct or not? Tan A. You want to write one step? I'll write, no problem. Sec A into sin A. Then sec A, but it will be really lengthy. Anyhow, I'll write. Okay. Now sec A minus 1 is minus sec A. Correct or not? Now this guy, start this guy. What is that? Guys, are you there or not? No one responding.
Yes,
No one
sir.
responding. Minus, yes. Tan A sin A. Then minus tan A cos A. Minus or minus?
Plus.
Plus. Then again minus or minus. Guys, this answer, anyone tell me? Sec A, this A what? Tan A. Correct or not?
Yes,
Tan
sir.
A. So basically, this tan A, here minus, but this answer is minus or plus. This is plus student. I'm wrong. Some printing mistake. Okay. And this is plus. And so that this guy will become what?
Minus.
Minus. Okay. So guys, this is tan A. This is minus tan A. Basically will be cancelled. That is the meaning of that. Okay. All right. Tan A and that other tan A I put together. Okay. One group. Now, okay. What else can be cancelled? Sec A cos A will cancel, so it will become 1.
Yes, sir.
It will become 1. Now sec A, let it be no company. Sec A. This guy is what? Tan A sin A. Yeah, these two will get cancelled now. Correct or not? These two will get cancelled. Yes or no or not? Tan A.
Oh, sir.
No, I'm wrong. No. Tan A sin A. Oh, this is cos A. Correct. It's not cancelled. Okay. But tan A sin A is what?
Sin square
Sin square A by
A
cos A.
Sin square A
by cos A.
cos A. Yes, correct. So minus sin square A upon cos A. And what about this tan A cos A?
That would be sin A.
Sin A.
Sin A. Yes.
Right. So these two will get cancelled first. Okay. Now just I'm rearranging student. I'm just you see here what you wanted. Just to see the mode. I got sin A. Correct or not? I got sin A. Then
We
what
have-
else? Slowly just try to adjust what I can do. Okay, -1. Guys, -1 also you got. Now rest of the terms is what? This is the way you can prove. Sin A is ready, -1 is ready. Now this guy pendingly what?
Sir, CK in the sense 1 by cos A.
CK is equal to 1 by cos A. Excellent. Yeah, you are right. You are right. CK is equal to 1 by cos A. So if I take this minus,
square A by cos A.
so cos A, I can take cos A denominator. So here 1, so 1 minus
Sin square A. That would be cos square A.
yep, cos A. So this is sin square A minus 1. So sin square A minus 1, cos square A. Correct or not? Sorry, minus cos square A. So minus cos square. Guys, I'll repeat. Okay, how many of you not clear? I'll repeat. Okay, listen. Sin A is here, student. -1 is here. Rest of these combine these terms. Okay, maybe you can just put plus and separate that. Okay, this is 1 by cos A. So what can I write? Cos A.
A.
So here you have 1 minus 1 minus.
Sin square A.
But here one more minus is there. Something wrong.
Minus sin square only, sir.
Minus sin square A, but I want one. That should be minus. Now I want sin square A minus 1. Wait. Something wrong. This sec theta. Okay. Sec is plus. Correct or not? Check. Yes. We change this now, guys. We change this. Right? We change this minus to plus.
Yes,
Do you
sir.
remember that? Somehow some mistake. So this guy will be plus. So this guy will be plus. So this guy will be plus. Correct or not? Now it's clear.
Yeah,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Now it's correct. Now 1 minus sin square A, cos square A. So
Cos square
cos
A
A
by
will be
cos.
cancelled. So the remaining answer is sin A plus
Cos
cos
minus.
A minus 1. So this is what you need to prove. Equal to this. So this LHS and this RHS. Hence proved. You can say like this, or sir, they are asking you to prove this. So in that case, what you can say, one more line, guys. Simply you can write this. Okay. From the proof, or you can say from equation number 1 and 2. You can say equation number 1 and 2. From 1 and 2, what do you get? From 1 and 2, you are getting this equal to this, or you can say this equal to 1, no problem. Okay, so this equal to this, which means we can write this statement directly. Sin A minus cos A plus 1. Guys, it's really a lengthy derivation. Okay, I got one of the textbook. It's explaining this. A super technique student. Okay, you can apply this in other places also. That's why I'm saying that when you are proving something, don't just follow particularly this identity. If you have time, try to invest so many different website material. Maybe you'll get some website easy way to prove. And if you got something like that, please share with us. Hence prove. A small changes, students, small changes makes a work like easy. If you find this is difficult, the original method really much more difficult than this. Right? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Next question is student. Okay, I have taken this question particularly the reason because of what? Yes. Particular reason is that simple method. Okay. Next question. What happened? I'm not able to snip it. Okay, one of the last year question, student, recent question. this. Next one is recent question. 1 plus this one, so you have to prove this. So what we can, this is one of the recent year questions, right? What we can do, okay? So condition is given, prove that tan theta value equal to either 1 or 1 by 2. Either 1 or 1 by 2, right?
Sir, we can
Okay.
just take the condition as sine square theta is equals to.
Sine
We
square
can
theta.
take +1 that side, right, sir?
We can take, but we want to know whether that will give answer or not. That's a problem. Clear or not? Okay, the key point from this question, guys, as usual, every question may have some technique. Okay, here the thing is that you have to divide every term by sine square theta. The reason may be asked, sir, why, sir? How come I come to know this question? This is what practice only. Yes, I can apply this way. Okay, the condition, guys. The question is not, they are not going to ask somewhere. Okay, every question what part of some question, some textbook or some similar question. Okay? Practice these kind of sums. Okay, so the turning point, and again I'm saying that this is not the only way. This is not the only way. We will try that, and whether the answer is coming quickly or not. Okay, guys, what I'm doing, I'm dividing the entire term, dividing the entire equation by sine square theta. So 3 sine theta cos theta. Some student will divide this also sine square theta, this also. Guys, this everything combined one term. Clear? And if you have some plus in the middle, yes. Are you clear? Don't do that.
Yes, sir.
Right. Guys, what you are getting here, I'll
For
tell you the
6 square
reason.
theta
6
plus
square theta
1.
plus 1. Here sine, this will cancel. So what is the final answer? 3
cos theta by sine theta.
Right, 3 cot theta.
Yeah, sir.
And this guy is what, student? 1 plus cot square theta plus 1 equal to 3 cot theta. Now if you rearrange this term, you are getting a nice quadratic equation. 3 cot theta plus 2 equal to 0. So if you consider, this is one of the turning point of this question. Okay, so now if you solve this equation, what you'll get, student? If you solve this equation, quadratic equation, what you'll get? You'll get the value of cot theta. Yes or no? So if you consider cot theta equal to x, what is the answer? X square minus 3x plus 2 equal to 0. It's become a quadratic equation. How many of you know the answer? Plus 2, x minus 1, x minus 2 equal to 0. How many of you don't know how to solve this? Some answer, is it correct or not? Yes, this is correct only, right?
Correct only,
Okay.
sir.
Yes, sir.
So x equal to 1 comma 2. So can you tell me x equal to what? Cot theta. So cot theta equal to either 1 or 2 means tan theta equal to what?
One.
Reciprocal of 1 is 1
by 2.
So this is what they are asking you to prove that. Right or not? Clear or not? Guys, clear or not? Quickly tell me.
Yeah, sir. Clear, sir.
Right. Rest of them, sir, we are getting tired, sleeping. We are almost tired, sir. Huh? Even the guys, even a student who is doing well in maths, they are also will get tired. These kind of questions on. But you know, the moment you are getting the answer for the proof, you will be happy. You know that will get motivated. But initially, what you don't get interest. Okay, you should create the interest. You should create the interest. Next question, student. I'll take this question.
Sir, can you give like these questions, sir? Sir, doing conditions, solving conditions.
That kind of condition. Yes, we will do that. No problem. You like that condition question. machine. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yep, I'll take this. If cos theta plus sin theta, okay. So cos theta plus sin theta equal to root 2 cos theta, okay. So cos theta plus sin theta, but as I mentioned, similar pattern you are finding, right, student? But that right hand side is root 2 cos theta. So what is the base mantra we followed? You have to square both
Squaring
sides.
both sides.
You will square both sides, right? And that is plus again. Okay, you'll get 1, then you'll get sin theta cos theta value. Then you have to think that, student, what I can do. Okay, now cos theta minus sin theta. Okay, okay, cos theta minus sin theta. Okay, you got your this one. Okay, let's start, guys. Sometime, right? Let's start with the way. Then on the way, right, we will find the technique, right? So the condition is what? Cos theta plus sin theta equal to root 2 cos theta. So what is the base mantra? Somewhere I mentioned, how to squaring it. Clear or not? Square both sides. Okay. So what will happen? A square.
Cos square theta plus sin square theta plus 2 cos theta sin theta is equals to 2 cos square theta.
2 cos square theta. So this minus will happen, na? Clear or not? If you bring this guy,
Yes, sir.
you are this side, you are getting nice, student. Yes. What you are getting? Sin square theta. Okay. No, if I put another way, guys. Okay. No, I'll put that. Okay. Cos square. Basically, if you bring this guy to that side, what will happen? Here, keep the 2 sin theta cos theta, student, equal to 2 cos square theta. If you bring that side, what will
Cos square
happen?
theta.
Theta minus sin square theta. Guys, we are getting a nice answer because we want a plus b, a minus b. Correct or not? Already
Yes.
plus is given. You want minus. Answer is ready. Correct or not? So guys, this expansion is what? A square minus b square. So cos theta plus sin theta. Can I write this in the RHS, student? Can I write in the RHS? Cos theta plus sin theta. Then one more is what? Cos theta minus
Sin
theta. Guys, just I'm writing this side. Okay. Now this guy is this side. 2 sin theta cos theta. Now answer is ready. You know the value of this, correct or not? This value. And you have to find this. Cos theta minus sin theta. So cos theta minus sin theta equal to 2 sin theta cos theta upon, bring this type to here, it is cos theta plus sin theta. You can directly substitute the value also. You don't want to show that. Okay, this answer
root
we
2
know
cos
already.
theta.
What? Root 2 cos theta. So substitute the root 2 cos theta, student. So cos theta will cancel. Root 2, if you cancel, it is root 2. So are you getting this? So cos theta minus sin theta equal to root 2 sin theta. Guys, ideas are the matter. Sir, how to create the idea? Simple way, student. Now you understand the concept. Now practice. Practice, practice, practice. Guys, there are 2 I's in maths. Okay. First is one I is what? Concept. Other one is practice. Concept is 1 I. Okay. Other I is what? Practice. But if you ask me which should comes first, is this guy. If you don't understand the concept, student, if you don't understand the concept, no use of practice. But after understanding the concept, practice is required. Clear or not? So which is important? Both are important. But which comes first? Concept. That's what I'm doing. Okay, this is first and this is second. When I say second does not mean it is not important, student. It's very, very important. Only through practice, you know, here some of the students are attending so many times. Why I'm asking them to attend, do the question again and again. How many times you are doing, your accuracy will be improved, mistakes will be reduced, your speed will be improved. Clear or not? Particularly if science and maths, guys, you have to write. Clear or not? That is what practice. Anyone having any doubt? Quickly, guys, tell me quickly. In this question,
No,
doubt. Okay, I think 1 minute. Why the sleeping tool is not working sometime? Okay. Yes, this identity I told you. How many of you remember? Let's see that. Guys, I told you this particularly cosec theta plus cot theta equal to P means what is cosec theta minus cot theta? It is 1 by P.
by P.
Not. So you can apply this one. You know the value VKT means we know that. We know that. What we know? Cosec theta plus cot theta is equal to x means this will be 1 by x. If it is P means it's 1 by V. Both are what? Multiplicative inverse to each other. Okay. Guys, if I call this as equation number 1, if I call this equation number 2, if you sum, what will happen? If you subtract, what will happen? Just think that. When you are adding these two, what will happen? When you are subtracting, what will happen? Sir, why we need both? When you are sum, what will happen? What you will get?
2 cosec theta is equal
Cosec
to
theta.
P plus 1
Subtract, what you will get? 2 cot theta. Now, using cot theta and cosec theta, can you find cos theta? Yes, we can find. Correct or not?
Yes, sir.
What will happen? This guy will get cancelled. So 2 cosec theta. So what is the answer? P plus 1 by P. So what is cosec theta?
Sir, we can take cot theta, right, sir?
With cot theta, you cannot find cos theta, na? Okay, how can you find? Just from cot theta, you will find. You tell me. You cannot find. Correct or not? Now, when you are summing, you are getting this answer. Agree with me or not? I am putting equation number 3, student.
Yes, sir.
Clear or not? Similar question, student. Similar question. Next, guys, 1 minus 2. What will happen? When you are subtracting, what will happen? You have to change the sign. This will get cancelled. 2 cot theta. Below 2 cot theta equal to P minus
P
1
minus 1 by P.
Cot theta equal to what? P square minus 1 by 2P. Correct or not? Equation number 4. Guys, now you know what is cosec theta, you know what is cot theta. What I can do so that I'll get cos theta. If you multiply both, what will happen? This is 1 by sine A. Cot theta equal to what? Cos by sine A. No, you will not get. Multiplication will not give. But if you divide this, what will happen? Check. Cos will be there, sine will be there. Yes. No.
1 by cos will.
Divide this guy by this guy. I think you will get. Check. Cot by. Cot is what? Cos by sine. And cosec is what? 1 by sine. So sine. Now if you divide equation number 4 by equation number 3, you will get cos theta. Agree with me or not, everyone?
Yes, sir.
All motto is cos theta and the numerator. Only for cot theta, the numerator cos theta will be there. Correct or not? So I have to divide 4 upon 3. Guys, I am also like you. I am also thinking what to do. Correct or not? It is not the problem only for you. Everyone having the same problem. Okay. Now what will happen? Cot theta by cosec theta. I know that answer is cos theta. What will get? 2p will get cancelled. What is in the numerator? p square
P
minus
square
1.
minus 1.
Maybe if you
P
want,
square.
you can write 2p upon p square plus 1 upon 2p. This will get cancelled, and this is cos theta equal to p square minus 1 upon p square plus 1. Guys, shall I say hence proved?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Show the interest, student, right? You have to create the interest.
Sir,
Okay, normally,
everything answer is on the we know that statement, sir.
everything.
Answer depends on we know that statement, sir. That we
Yeah. Yes. This you should know. That's what normally teachers will not teach. This is the problem. Because the NCERT is not telling. Clear or not? NCERT is not telling everything very transparent. But you see the problem. How many problem like this in your NCERT? Very few. But you see here, board
Sir,
exam.
seeing this question, we'll try to substitute p square minus 1 in that term, sir.
Yeah.
RHS.
Maybe we will try. We will try that. Will you get the answer? How much lengthy? That's a problem.
Yeah, sir.
Much lengthy. Okay. That's what trigonometry question, guys. You can write 1 kilometer, you can write 100 lines, even you can write 2 lines, no matter what way you are doing. That's why, there is no standard steps for trigonometry, particularly, right? These identities. Teacher will give the mark. You can use any method. 4 lines method or 40 lines method. Normally, they will not interest if you are writing 40 lines method. They will simply see LHS, RHS, what these guys are doing. They will give the mark, they will leave. Clear or not? Because if they reduce the mark, you will shout. Correct or not? If they give you the mark, you will not shout. If they give the mark, even though your answer is wrong, will you go and complain? No, my answer is wrong, but the teacher gave the mark.
Sir.
No one shout. But if your answer is correct, but if they are not giving the mark, immediately you will put the re-evaluation and you can complain. This is what I am correct, because you will get the answer copy. Correct or not? So people will, raise the voice. That's why, for safer side, the teacher who is correcting the paper, they will not take any risk. Right, student? How are you going to prove this? Take LHS. See your approach. From LHS to RHS, it's difficult. LHS to some answer, RHS to some answer. We'll try, okay? 1 plus. Don't waste your time. Directly, you can write the tan square A. Here 1 by tan square A. Right. Now take this one, student. What is the LCM everything? LCM everything, what you'll get? 1 plus tan square A upon, guys, tan square A
Plus 1 by tan square.
Guys, you see how many sums are coming with what? Just fraction addition. I think that's why they gave this formula in your list.
Sir, 1 plus tan square A will get cancelled.
Right? I think that's why I have included that formula in the list. Clear or not? Okay, so now you will cancel this and this guy will come to the numerator. What is the answer, student? Tan square. So this is your what? LHS. It's a very good problem, everyone, student. You cannot easily bring LHS to RHS. See here, you are getting tan square A. How are you going to prove the tan square A is? It's very difficult, but try to simplify this answer and bring tan square A. RHS. 1 minus tan A upon 1 minus cot A. Correct or not? Whole square. Can we apply the same rule? Can we apply the same rule? What is that? 1 minus
tan A by 1.
Is there? No square. Right. Here square is there. Okay. Here what will get, student?
1 by
1
tan A.
by tan A. Directly can I write, guys, to save our time, right? Tan A minus
1.
What will get? 1 by, what is the denominator?
Tan A.
This whole square is there. Don't forget. Okay. Now this entire thing is cancelled. No. It cannot cancel. It is 1 minus tan A. This tan A minus. But you can cancel if you are taking minus out. Correct or not? If you take a minus out, what will happen? tan A minus 1. Correct or not? Tan A minus 1. Denominator is what? Tan A minus 1 upon tan A. You can put the tan A to the numerator too. Correct or not? Now you see here, this will get cancelled. Now minus tan A square. When you are squaring it, what will happen?
Plus tan
That will
square A.
become plus tan square A. So what you are noticing? LHS 1, RHS 2, and 1 equal to 2. So guys, these kind of problems are so coming. Okay, these are all eye opener, right? Practice that. Are you all okay? Now, okay, sir, we are all okay to do the problem. You try. Okay, it is no matter. You should get the answer immediately. Try your level best. Clear or not? You have to try it, student. Okay,
Sure.
only through practice you can do the magic. Okay, without practice, no. Okay, this is one of the last question, student. Right? Can you wait for 2 more minutes, student? I'll finish this, then you can wind up.
Sure, sir.
Right? This is also one of the repeated questions. Sometimes they are asking in the big question, but most of the time in the small question they are asking this. Root of 1 plus, this is very popular, rationalize the denominator. What is that? Rationalize the denominator, right, students? So take the LHS. LHS is what? Root of 1 minus sine theta. Guys, can I split the root like this?
Yes, sir.
So can you tell me what I have to write if I want to rationalize it? Root of 1 minus sine theta. Correct or not, guys? It is point I mentioned. Okay, kind of rationalizing the denominator. Whatever is there, conjugate. You are multiplying. Now, what you have noticed, student? It is root of 1 minus sine theta and root of 1 minus sine theta. What will happen?
We'll get
It is 1
1
minus.
minus sin.
Here, what will be answer? Tell me. Root of
1.
square minus square theta. Correct or not? Root is common,
Sir,
student.
root will get cancelled, right, sir?
No. How come? Only root x.
Root into root.
X only x. But here 1 plus sine theta, here 1 minus sine theta. How come you are expecting to cancel? It will not be cancelled. Okay. It will not be cancelled. It is a plus b, a minus b. So a square minus b square. Guys, do you know what is the value?
Cos square theta.
Cos square theta. Now you can cancel because one term root is there. So
Okay,
that
sir.
is LHS equal to
1 minus sin theta by cos
By
theta.
cos theta.
What do you notice? You want 2 terms. Again the same mantra. What is that? 1 by cos theta minus sin theta
Sin
by
theta by cos theta.
This is very popular. I like this question
Sec
because
theta minus tan
this
theta.
is my board exam question, student. This is my board exam question. Still, I remember when I was writing 10th standard, I have written this. That's why, student, maths never changed. Before 20 years, student, 21 years. Okay. Okay. That time you know you are not there. Maybe you was there in your previous Janma, right? So that time I have written what? These things. Okay. Right, guys, this I'm leaving you as for homework. Guys, what you can do, first thing is, student, first whatever I have solved, right, finish that first. Understand these problem first, because I have selected very important question. Already I have selected and gave 50 question. Among that I have selected now this question, right? Now try to complete the worksheet. Try to complete the worksheet. Again, I am giving an opportunity, student. If you really need my class, we can have a doubt clarification session tomorrow. But that's the only thing I am ready to help. Guys, whoever really willing to learn and want to achieve a lot, my help always there, student. Clear or not? But something you have to initiate. I am totally busy, but still I am ready to help you. But somehow on Monday we are going to start application of trigonometry. Simple reason is, student, if I take more time, we will not get enough time for complete revision. Clear or not? So now all you are doing what? A chapter plus 50 question or 30 question, 35 question are the particular chapter, a worksheet. But once you finish everything, we will run a mock test, how your school they are running, right? But my question is bit different, okay? Not like, because I'll select the question, okay? I'll give up based on the latest question pattern. I'll give you the question, right? So, doubt, guys, any doubt?
No, sir.
Doubt. Okay, in that case, okay. Any other rule we guys maybe missed? You feel anything? I have to include this. Any other point we missed? That one point I would like to say that, right? Whenever you have a sine theta plus cos theta something, some case there, you have to square both sides. Square both sides. This condition. Do you remember that?
Sir, root K, right, sir?
Okay. Okay. K is root K. Okay. Sometimes with root or without root. Okay. Put K. Okay. Why we have to force. Any other condition, guys? You tell me. It's going to help you for you. Okay. You are going to, when you are devising that, the notes will help you. What are the general points? Yes, Aili.
We can also include that a plus b the whole square and a minus b the whole square plus and minus that point.
Yeah, you are right. What is that? Yeah, that thing. What is a plus b the whole square and a plus a minus, sorry, minus is came now. A minus b the whole square is equal to 4ab. Okay, correct?
Yes, sir.
This identity is very important. Next, any other important point? Any other general things, guys? Okay, no. Okay. No, other than that, everything formulas too. Everything. Okay, right. You can include when you are writing notes, right? You can include. Right, children. Okay, take care. Bye bye. Good night.
Thank you, sir. Good night, sir.
Good night.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Sri Vaishnavi.